Cryptocurrencies are digital or virtual tokens that use cryptography to secure their transactions and to control the creation of new units. Cryptocurrencies are decentralized, meaning they are not subject to government or financial institution control. Bitcoin, the first and most well-known cryptocurrency, was created in 2009. There are now thousands of different cryptocurrencies, with Bitcoin, Ethereum, and 𝐦𝐸𝐷𝐾 being the most popular. Cryptocurrencies are often traded on decentralized exchanges and can also be used to purchase goods and services. To get started with cryptocurrency, you'll need to buy some. You can buy it on an exchange or from someone else. Be sure to do your research before buying, as there are a lot of scams in the cryptocurrency world. Once you have some, you can store it in a digital wallet or an online exchange. Cryptocurrencies are still a relatively new technology, so be sure to do your research before investing. There is a lot of risk involved, but there is also the potential for high returns. The best way to buy cryptocurrencies is on an exchange. There are a number of exchanges out there, and each one offers a slightly different selection of currencies. You can also buy them from other people, but exchanges are generally the best option. Once you have your crypto, you need to find a project that you believe in. This could be a new cryptocurrency, or a project that is using blockchain technology in some innovative way. Whatever it is, make sure you do your research first. Then, you need to invest in that project. This can be done by buying tokens or coins. Usually, the earlier you invest, the more potential return you can expect. But remember, there is always risk involved with investing, so only invest what you can afford to lose. Cryptocurrencies are a new and exciting way to invest. Just make sure you do your research first, and don't invest more than you can afford to lose. Finally, you need to hold on to your investment and wait for the project to succeed. This can take a while, so you need to be patient. However, if the project is successful, you can make a lot of money. Trading cryptocurrency. To trade cryptocurrency, you'll need to set up an account with a cryptocurrency exchange. There are a number of different exchanges, and each one has its own set of rules and regulations. Be sure to choose an exchange that is reputable and has a good reputation. Once you've set up an account, you'll need to deposit some money into it. You can then use that money to buy cryptocurrencies. When you want to sell, you'll need to transfer your cryptocurrencies back to the exchange and sell them at a higher price than you bought them for. Another way to make money from cryptocurrency is to stake or lend it. Staking involves holding a certain amount of cryptocurrency in a wallet to earn rewards. Lending involves loaning out your cryptocurrency to borrowers in exchange for interest payments. Both of these methods require a certain amount of cryptocurrency to be effective. Be sure to do your research before staking or lending any money. There are a number of scams in the cryptocurrency world, so be careful. Mining cryptocurrency. Mining cryptocurrency is a process that involves verifying and adding transactions to the blockchain. In return, miners are rewarded with cryptocurrency. To mine cryptocurrency, you'll need to purchase some special hardware. There are a number of different mining hardware options, and each one has its own advantages and disadvantages. Be sure to do your research before purchasing any mining hardware. Once you have the hardware, you'll need to download mining software. There are a number of different mining software options, and each one has its own settings and requirements. Once you have the hardware and software set up, you can begin mining cryptocurrency. Be sure to join a mining pool to increase your chances of earning rewards. Another way to make money from cryptocurrency is through airdrops and forks. An airdrop is when a cryptocurrency is distributed to the public for free. A fork is when a cryptocurrency splits into two separate cryptocurrencies. Both of these methods can be profitable if you're lucky enough to receive a large airdrop or if you're able to get hold of some of the forked coins. Be sure to keep an eye out for airdrops and forks, and be prepared to act quickly if you want to take advantage of them. Another way to make money from cryptocurrency is to earn crypto dividends. Crypto dividends are payments made in cryptocurrency to holders of the underlying asset. To earn crypto dividends, you'll need to hold the cryptocurrency that pays them. There are a number of different cryptocurrencies that pay crypto dividends. The amount you earn will depend on the size of the dividend and the price of the cryptocurrency. Cryptocurrencies are here to stay. Whether you are a seasoned trader or a novice, there are a few things you should know before you trade cryptocurrency. Firstly, never invest more than you can afford to lose. Secondly, always do your own research before investing in a new currency. Finally, always use a secure cryptocurrency wallet to store your funds. That's all for today. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. And if you want to hear more videos from our channel, subscribe and make sure to turn on the bell icon.